We're going to talk about percents. So let's take a look at the joke of the day. I'm right 98% of the time. The other 3% is when I have to solve math problems. Okay, let's go on here. So in order to turn a fraction to a decimal, you divide the number by the bottom, of the top by the bottom. So you divide the top number by the bottom. So over here, what we do is we take 3, and we divide it by 4. So we go to our calculator, we go 3 divided, we turn it on, 3 divided by 4, and you get 0.75. On the next one here, you go 7 divided by 8. So you go to your calculator, 7 divided by 8, and you get 0.875. And here you can put an equal sign. Let's go to the next one. In order to turn a percent to a decimal, you divide by 100. So here you go, 34 divided by 100. And in this case, it's 0.34. Okay, I'll do this one, 5.2 divided by 100. So you go to your calculator here. Okay, 5.2 divided by 100. 0.052. 0.052. Some people put 0.52 and make a mistake because they move the decimal. But you got to move the decimal 2 places. So here, from there, you go 1, 2. And here, 34, you can move the decimal 1, 2 over. Okay, now we got a fraction in the percent. So first, we figure out the fraction. You go 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. And then you add the 25. So you go 25 plus 0.75 is 25.75. And then divide by 100 and you get 0.2575. Okay, so when there is a fraction in the percent, change the fraction to a decimal and then add. Okay, so I change it to a decimal, added it to it, and then there's my decimal altogether. So let's change this one. So let's take a look here. 2/3. 2/3. So we gotta need my calculator for this one. 2 divided by 3. 0.666. 0.667. So that's like 25.667. Just add the decimal to the end, and then you divide by 100 to get the decimal. So then I just divided there by 100 and I got the decimal. To find the percent of a number, change the percent to a decimal, then multiply. Okay, so you want to find 28% of that number. So first you take 28 divided by 100 and you get 0.28, and then you multiply by 250. Okay, and I'll put it equals, and then we go to our calculator. 0.28 times 250. And you get 70. Okay, here, same thing, you do 3.2 divided by 100 to get your decimal. Okay, and so you end up with 0.032. So if you divide that by 100, then you multiply by 1200. And our final answer here is, we go to our calculator, 0.032 times 1200, 38.4. Okay, E. When working with money, always round your answer to 2 decimal places. So here we take 3.5 divided by 100. We do the same thing. You get 0.035. And then you multiply 0.035 times 29.99. So let's go back to our calculator. 0.035, not 8, 5, times 29.99. decimal 99, so 29.99. Enter, and you get 1.0, so you round 49, the 9 makes that a 5. So the final answer here is 1.05. Okay, here, so 2 divided by 3, you can use your calculator, 0.666. Okay, and now you go 12.666 divided by 100. Okay, so you get 0.1266, and you multiply that by 130. Now I should put some equal signs in some of these places, so I'll add them, and then you get, let's see, 66. Let's go to your calculator here. So you get 130 times 0.126666 forever. Enter, and you get 16.47. So you get your dollars. I forgot to put the dollar sign here. So 16 decimal. Let's go back there. 16.47. Okay, I'm going to stop the video for now, and then we're going to come back and do the rest of the questions together at the start.